Good day there folks, my name is John. I'm an English language teacher with Intrepid English, and today I'm going to share with you 3 quick tips about how best to choose your next English language teacher. So English language teachers are like most creatures. They come in all shapes and sizes, personalities and approaches to language learning, so it's very important to find the one which is going to suit you best. Tip number 1, recommendations. Do you happen to have a friend, a family member or a colleague who speaks English as a second language so well that you're like, wow, how did you do that? How can I do that? Chances are they had a good teacher, and that same person that helped them might also be able to help you. Tip number 2, once you're sitting down with a potential teacher, be very clear about what you're trying to achieve, but also, if it's possible, be very clear about how best you like to learn. Some people are visual, some people are auditory, some people like to read and write, or some people are kinesthetic and like to be involved. But the more information that you can put across, the easier it is for someone to determine if their approach is going to be good for you. And tip number 3, booking a trial lesson. Trial lessons are a fantastic way for you to sit down in a comfortable dynamic between a potential teacher to determine whether what they can offer is going to be right or wrong for you. At Intrepid English, we have a variety of different teachers with many different backgrounds and approaches to language learning, and I am almost certain one of them will be perfect for you. So it doesn't hurt. You can click on the link below, have a look through each of their profiles and determine if it's someone you would like to get in touch with, and maybe see where it goes from there. I wish you the best of luck, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.